Body detox, freeing your body from toxins. Pollutants, allergens, and all kinds of toxins enter our body in a manner we couldn't realize until certain types of illnesses bother us. But then, we continue eating foods that are no rich than junks. We drink water loaded by substances that our system considered as foreign, and what more can you expect after consuming all of these than an unhealthy, toxic body? A body that is full of toxins building up from almost every corner of the organs is no more than a dead body. It is the host of all possible illnesses, whether mild or chronic. And the person carrying all of the toxics is obviously a person worth all the mercies. Now, who wants to be pitied for being so unhealthy? I bet no one. All of us want to stay healthy, active and strong as much as possible. The good news is that there are a lot of ways of making ourselves healthy and strong. Of the possible ways, one stands out as truly effective: body detoxification. But what is body detoxification? Known as body detox for short, experts in the medical field commonly define body detoxification as nothing but a process of body cleansing. It involves the act of reducing and eliminating all the possible toxins that may enter and build up inside our system, which may in turn make our body vulnerable to all sorts of diseases. It comes in a number of forms, each aiming to make our body free from possible health threats. On the most basic, body detox starts with a good diet. It's worth knowing that today almost 100 of diet programs are made available for people to consider. The body detox diets vary according to names and features, but all share the same objective, which is geared toward obtaining a much healthy body. Well, it is common for a body detox diet to restrict foods that are rich in sugar, toxics, and acids. On the other hand, it promotes the consumption of foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals. Raw vegetables and fruits, and a large amount of water, are strongly recommended, while foods such as wheat and dairy, caffeine, processed and refined goods, as well as meats are deemed culprits of allergies, constipations, diarrhea, and all sorts of harmful diseases. The body detox also comes in the forms of herbs. The main difference between herbs and the foods promoted by the detox diets is that the herbs are said to be more powerful in safeguarding specific organs. There are body detox herbs that are considered for liver and gallbladder cleansing, while there are others that are geared for colon, kidneys, and lungs. Whatever is your concern, the body detox herbs are said to be best when consumed with rich digestive enzymes and a proper meal. Body detox may further include skin cleansing, juice fasting, bowel cleansing, enzymes, and antioxidant use. All of these techniques are deemed powerful for making your body as healthy as possible.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.